What's up, my colleagues? Welcome back to another exciting video. If it's your first time here, you are absolutely welcome. Today we are going to be jumping into the world of meme coins, specifically Solana meme coins. Listen, if you have been anywhere near crypto Twitter or Telegram lately, you already know that Solana is the playground for some of the craziest pump and dump meme coins. People are turning peanuts into serious cash. But the question is, how do you actually buy and sell these coins the right way so you don't actually get wrecked? That's exactly why I am making this video. I'll be showing you step by step how to use Phantom Wallet to trade Solana meme coins safely and profitably without getting rug pulled or even making rookie mistakes. And of course, if you love content like this, I want to stay ahead of the crowd in terms of finance and crypto. Do me a quick favor by smashing that like button, subscribing to the YouTube channel, and also share this video with someone who might actually find it helpful. You can also join my WhatsApp community for even faster updates from me. Link is in the description and comment section. And without much talk, let's jump right into today's video. Let's go. So guys, the first step you want to take is to download the Phantom Wallet application. That's if you don't have the app. So I've left the link in the description that you can use to download Phantom Wallet and other applications we might likely be making use of in this video. Or you can simply head to the Google Play Store and search for Phantom Wallet. You search for Phantom Wallet. I already have the app, but just for you to be sure of the right one, is this one that have this little dummy face in or as its logo. So you click on it, then you click on the install button. If you already have the app, you just click on the open button. So I already have the app. All I have to do is click on here that says open. So I click on open. So once the app opens, you have the option to click on here that says I agree to terms of service. So you click on it, and then you click on either create a new wallet, or if you have an already existing wallet that you can remember the details, you click on I already have a wallet, or I want to make use of the create new wallet. So I click on create new wallet, right? So I click on it, and then I click on here that says continue with email, or you can use create a seed phrase wallet. I would want to make use of email because it's going to connect my email address to this wallet. But sometimes it's better you make use of seed phrase, and that's if you're a very careful person, because the seed phrase is what you can use to access the wallet, right? So let's just continue with email, just to walk you through another great method, which is email. So I click on create email, you choose your email. I have a Google email address, so I click on Google. If you have an email with Apple, you can make use of the one that says Apple. So I click on continue with Google, and then I select my Google account and then click on continue. So once you have connected your email to the Phantom Wallet, you need to put a secure pin. This pin is what you're going to be used to protect. This is what is going to be used to protect and secure your wallet. So you put in your secure pin. So you create your pin. So once you have put in your pin, you now need to wait for some second for your wallet to be created. Now, I will encourage you to make sure you protect your wallet. Try to add as much security as you can add to your wallet, just for security and safety reasons, because your wallet can actually get hacked. I keep on emphasizing on this. Make sure you add as much security as you can add to your Phantom Wallet. So you click on use device security, and you can use password or face ID or whatever. So I prefer password, so I put in the password I want to use. Then you can now get started. Now our Phantom Wallet has been created. We can say enable instant updates. So this is our Phantom Wallet, and we are ready to make use of it to trade Solana meme coins, right? So the next step, what we want to do now is to fund our Phantom Wallet. And how do we fund our Phantom Wallet? We fund our Phantom Wallet by either we can buy Solana on a centralized exchange or a decentralized exchange, and then send the money to this Phantom Wallet. I have some funds in my centralized exchange called I have some money in my Binance account. So what I'm going to do is to head over to Binance and use Binance to fund this. I'll buy some Solana on Binance and then send that Solana to my Phantom Wallet, and then we'll now proceed to the next step, which is buying the meme coins, right? So let's head over to Binance to fund our Phantom Wallet. So what we want to do now is click on here that says receive. Click on here that says receive. and then we click on here that says Solana. We want to copy our Solana address. So this more button that is here, you click on it, and then your address has been copied. So once you copy your address, the next step is to head over to a centralized exchange like Binance, Bitget, or Bybit to buy some Solana that you can use to fund your Phantom wallet. So let's head over to Binance. So as you can see, I'm actually now logged into Binance. So what I want to now do is to buy some Solana meme coins, right? We'll head over to here that says trade. Solana is currently trading at $193, right? So we want to buy $20 worth of Solana. So search for Solana, click on SU, and then put in the amount of SU we want to buy on Binance. Let me just put $20 worth of SU. Click on done. Then click on here that says buy SU. So our order has just been created and it has just been filled. So if you head over to our wallet, you can see we now have $19 worth of SU. So what we want to now do is to click on the SU we have, and then click on here that says withdraw on Binance. Then click on here that says send via crypto network. Click on it. Then we paste in the address we want to send the money, which is the address we copied from Phantom wallet. You want to be careful when doing this. So you click on paste, and then Solana, how much you want to withdraw? I want to withdraw all. Max. You click on max, and then you click on here that says withdraw. Then you click on confirm, and then there are charges and other stuff. Well, so far so good. After charges, what we are going to be able to send to that Phantom wallet is around $17 worth of SOL. So we click on confirm. So you can now see that our withdrawal is processing. So now, since our withdrawal is processing, we are going to be needing a particular application to be able to, trade these meme coins. And the name of the application is called Jupiter. Jupiter is a platform that aggregates different meme coins from different platforms, and then when you place a trade using Jupiter, it helps you buy that meme coin at the best available price from any decentralized exchange that has the best price and fees, right? So is an aggregator. Jupiter is an aggregator. It aggregates the best price for your meme coins and then finds the best one and help you execute your trade using the with the best available price. I hope you understand what I mean. So guys, once you have downloaded Jupiter, the next tool you most likely be needing to download is Dexscreener. But before we download Dexscreener, let me just walk you through how to sign up. Let me head over to Jupiter first of all. I hope that I'll be able to walk you through that because I already have an account. Well, it's pretty much straightforward. It's almost the same process as Phantom Wallet. It's not complicated. It's straightforward. I don't think I'll be able to walk you through it because I already have an account. Well, it's straightforward, guys. It's not complicated. It's very, very easy to sign up on Jupiter. If you have if you encounter any issues, leave a comment. I'll definitely respond to your comments. But trust me, signing up on Jupiter is pretty much straightforward, and please use my link to sign up. I would appreciate. So let's go download Dexscreener. So head over to the Google Play Store, search for Dexscreener. I'm also going to leave a link in the description to download Dexscreener. Search for Dexscreener, and then you see I already have the app. All you have to do is just click on install and download the app. You don't necessarily need to sign up. If you want to can sign up on the app, is all up to you. So once you download Dexscreener, you also open it, and Dexscreener is the tool we are going to be using to find meme coins you are going to be buying using Phantom Wallet and Jupiter, right? So you can see this is Dexscreener. There are lots of meme coins. You can see there's one called Kanye Ye. There are lots of meme coins on Dexscreener. So we need to find the meme coin we are going to buy. But this video is not specifically on how to find good meme coins to buy. This video is more of how to use Phantom Wallet to trade meme coins, right? So I'm not really going to be diving in depth to what you should look out for when looking for good meme coins to buy and make money from. If you want me to make a video on that, leave a comment, make video on how to make money trading meme coins, and definitely if I get good enough comments, I'll make that video and show you guys how you can cash out trading meme coins. But like I said, there are lots of meme coins here. You need some basic things you need to look out for is the liquidity, the community, how long has the meme coin been in existence, and some basic things. So let's just scroll through to see if we can find a meme coin with some liquidity. So this year has a liquidity of 130k. Its volume is 11.0 million and a market cap of 297k. It's not that bad, but the liquidity is not that high. The market cap 297, and then in the last 1 hour it has lost 17%. In the last 24 hours it has lost 71%. It's crazy, guys. This market is crazy. Probably let's just buy Ye, because Kanye West has been making noise on Twitter lately, and you can see there's another one on top of it safe. So guys, you need to be very careful. You need to be very careful when trading meme coins. But we can still decide to filter if we want. But like I said, this video is not how to use the screener. This video is how to use Phantom Wallet. So let me just buy this one that has a liquidity of $130,000. It's okay. You can see liquidity of 130k. So what we want to do is to copy the wallet address. So the wallet address, you click on here that says Ye at the top, and you copy the wallet address, and then you head over to Jupiter. Head over to Jupiter, then click on this rocket button. Then you paste the wallet address, and then you can see it here. So you can see the coin. But the problem here now is that we don't really have any money in our Jupiter wallet. So we need to send money from our Phantom wallet into our Jupiter wallet to be able to buy this coin. So let's head back to our Phantom. Let's first of all copy our Jupiter wallet address first. So click on here that says, click on this heart button, click on here that says receive soul, click on it, then you click on copy. So when you click on copy, you head over to Phantom wallet, then you log into your account, then you click on here that says send, click on Solana, then you click paste from clipboard, then you paste that wallet you got from your Jupiter, click on next, and then you put in the number of soul you want to send to that wallet. Okay, let's send say 10 souls. So this is 11 souls. 0.06 souls is 11 souls. So we click on here that says next. So we click on here that says send. You can see the network fee is 0.03 soul. So we click on send. You see they just alert you and say this is just click on send, and then so you can see it has been sent. Let's now head over to our Jupiter to check if our money has reflected, and you can see our money has come in successfully. So we want to buy that token that we searched for. Let's head back to the screener to get the token. I know by now that coin, okay, still there. So let's head over to the screener, copy the wallet. You're going to be using $2 to buy this meme coin. So when you open Jupiter, this is the page you're going to be at. Then you click on this rocket icon. Then on the top here, you click on Solana. And then below here, this is the coin you want to buy. Ye, you paste it in there. So you click on it, right? So you put in the amount of sold you want to, of Ye you want to buy. So you put in 0.02, which is $3, right? And then you click on swap. So you have successfully purchased this meme coin. When you go back to the home page, you can see you now have $3 worth of this meme coin called Ye. If this meme coin reaches $10, you can still come back to this place that says swap. Click on this swap button here, and then put in the amount of Ye you want to sell. So this is what 5,555 Ye is, and this is the amount we have. So you click on swap, and then I've swapped it back again to my Solana. If I want to now cash out my money, all I have to do is click on here that see this cross button on here, click on it, click on here that says send, and then I'll put in the amount of Solana I want to send. So I'll say I want to send 0.057508437, right? That's around $10. And then I'll now paste in the wallet address. The wallet address is my Phantom wallet. So I can copy my Phantom wallet address by coming back to Phantom wallet and clicking here that says receive, copy the address, go back to Jupiter, paste it there, click on continue, click on send, put in my password or my face or my fingerprint, and then boom, you can see sent successfully. Then click on close. If you refresh, you can see our money has come back again, $17, and we can now send this money to any crypto exchange of our choice, be it Binance, BitGet, any platform that we use. So we click on send, and then click on Solana, we go back to our Binance, copy the Solana wallet address, and let me just show you guys. So go back to our Binance, click on add funds, click on chain deposit, click on search for Solana, which is the coin you want to receive. Click on it, click on Solana. So you copy the Solana address you want to, so you can see wallet copied. And then you now head back to our Phantom wallet. Don't make any mistakes, and then paste in the wallet address you want to send the money to. Then click on next, put 0.87 available to send. So we cannot send 0.87, so we can send it. So we click on 0.87, you can see available to send 0.8777. So we can put in all that if we want, 0.77. Click on next. So it's trying to calculate our network fee, and then we click on send. It starts sending our Solana to our Binance. So it has been sent successfully. This same process would work even if you're using Binance, Bybit, BitGet, any exchange. Just follow this process I walked you through now, and you should be able to trade meme coins successfully using Phantom Wallet and leveraging Jupiter. I hope you found value in this video. Do not forget to smash the like button, subscribe to the YouTube channel, and join my finance community. Link will be in the description and comment section. And see you on the next one, guys. Deal.